Hello, World History Cardinals. I am going to show you what you're going to be doing from Monday, October 26th, 2020. If you would, come with me to the home page for Canvas. Once that pops up, you're going to see that the information says all blocks. There will be no class today. Follow the video. Well, this is the video that you're following, so congratulations. You follow directions. Next, it says it will tell you your task for today. This is important because I am taking attendance by the task. I'm taking attendance by the task. Do not join class tomorrow. I just need to trust you on that. Don't click a link. Do not do a Google Meet session. I will have to contact your parents and reschedule some of my parent conferences because I think I put Monday on there. I'm not sure. I have to go back. I'll check my calendar. But just in case, do not click a Google Meet session. You're not going to do that. Today you're going to be doing Unit 4, Lesson 5's task. So we continue to scroll down and click Enter here. This video will be in the live lessons link, but will also be on the main page. So I'll help you out that way. Go ahead and click Enter. Click Unit 4. Scroll down. The dates are still there, but it tells you Lesson 5, Counter-Reformation. It's the Catholic Church's response to the Protestant Reformation. Last Friday, we were talking about Martin Luther and his 95 Theses. When you were doing your on your own time, you discovered in the reading that the church asked Martin Luther to recant his statements, and he refused. So they excommunicated him. So what you have to do now is see what else happened with that response. So click the link. You are not doing the warm-up. Do not do this. I will unpublish just that one page. Do not do the warm-up. Click next. You will do this. Okay, on this side is the Counter-Reformation. It says use the same graphic organizer you used in Unit 4, Lesson 2. That was the who, what, when, where, why, and how graphic organizer where you had to draw the boxes. I want you to do that again. Just draw it in your notes, put the essential question in the middle, then annotate and document information in the appropriate slot. You can submit a screenshot and write it. You can also write it in the text box that you saw those directions. That is what I'm going to be taking attendance from. Okay? So make sure you do that. Also, here's the slide deck. Well, I'll tell you what, it's there. It's just right now everything crashed on me. But the slide deck of notes will be there tomorrow. You will have something that you can see. Same here. This is the activity that is actually going to be a classwork assignment as well. This is called Crime and Punishment During the Counter-Reformation. So while all of this was going on, Martin Luther calling for reform, well, the church pushed back. And then they started the inquisitorial process. That's what they started. Here, you're going to be able to read this part. Some of the other part is faint, but it's there. I know it just crashed, but it'll be working tomorrow. You have 2 documents and 3 questions. That's all it is. And then you're going to do your closure, and that's an opinion question. So in this reply box for the discussion board, you have to respond to this question. Based on your research about punishments during the Inquisitions, and yes, you can kind of look some of this up. Again, if we were at the Renaissance Festival, you would have already seen the dungeon room and the torture rooms. So you can look some of this stuff up about the Inquisition. But the question wants to know, do you think the Catholic Church should have created other means of punishment? Explain your response and suggest another method of punishment. Okay? You do not need to review and like to your classmates' responses. You don't have to do that. Just answer the question, click next, and you will be done for that day. Okay? I will find the SEL and I will take a picture of that and allow you to do that for 12 minutes. This portion right here should be your 40 minutes. And then you also, don't forget you have 35 minutes of on your own time. So you've got the whole block because, like I said, you're not coming to class, you're not signing in, you're just going to work on your task. All right, then, if you have any questions, as usual, just send me an email. I will get back with you probably tomorrow evening or just later on Tuesday. No real worries. I will talk with you tomorrow. Thanks. Well, not tomorrow, but later on.